Example 3. Alex spent the summer helping out at his family's business. He was hoping to earn enough money to buy a new $220 gaming system by the end of the summer. Halfway through the summer, after working for 4 weeks, he had earned $112. Alex wonders, if I continue to work and earn money at this rate, will I have enough money to buy the gaming system by the end of the summer? To determine if he will earn enough money, he decided to make a table. He entered his total money earned at the end of week 1 and his total money earned at the end of week 4. So in our table, Alex has written in what he's earned each time. So it looks like every week he's earning $28. Now to check that, we're going to take this and figure out how much money he would earn in 1 week. So we're going to go 112 divided by 4. And when we do that, we get 28. So we know that our rate for this table is going to be 28. So then we would take 28 and times it by 2 weeks. So 28 times 2, which is 56. We would take 28 times 3, which is 84. Now you can use a calculator to do this multiplication, but you still need to write down what you're doing. We already have week 4, so 28 times 5, which is 140. And notice that I'm labeling each of these numbers as I put it in my final answer. All right, 28 times 6, which is 168. 28 times 7, which is 196. And then 28 times 8, which is 224. So if we look back to Alex's question, will he have enough money to buy his gaming system? The answer would be yes, Alex has enough money. All right. The next question on this says, are Alex's total earnings proportional to the number of weeks he worked? How do you know? All right, so if we go back and look at our table, we know even just from our work here that if we were to take and do 56 divided by 2, we would get 28. So work backwards, using those fact families that we know. 84 divided by 3 and get 28. So each time we would divide, we would get the same value. So in this case, yes, it is proportional. Now we have to answer this question, how do you know? Each ratio, and I'm going to put of total earnings, because I want to be descriptive, total earnings to weeks worked was the same. And I'm going to put $28. Now, if we were to look at this, our K value for this situation, so thinking back to that first example we looked at, our K value would be that amount or that value that it is constant by, so 28. And then the equation for this one, and we haven't talked much about that, it's okay, let's go ahead and add it to our notes, is y equals 28x. We will be talking about this form a lot and more often in the next couple of lessons.